Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for your beauty and personal care needs. If you're a nail art enthusiast or someone who loves intricate designs on your nails, you're in for a treat. Today, we have something special for you: the Artdone Metallic Nail Art Pens, a 5-piece liner brushes set that's designed to elevate your nail game. This set is truly the best nail gang for anyone who loves precision and detail in their nail art. These pens come in 5 different sizes, ranging from 5mm to 25mm, making them perfect for creating long lines, thin details, and fine drawings. Whether you're a professional nail artist or someone just starting with DIY nail art at home, this set provides the versatility you need. The brushes feature metal handles that ensure durability, while the nylon brush heads provide just the right amount of flexibility for smooth and precise strokes. The easy grip handles also offer a comfortable and secure feel, so you won't have to worry about slipping while you're working on your designs. If you're someone who enjoys working with gel polish or acrylic paint, the Artdone Metallic Nail Art Pens are perfect for you. They work great with regular nail polish as well, allowing you to create beautiful nail patterns in seconds. Whether you're drawing thin lines, creating delicate detailing, or doing short strokes for a more intricate design, this brush set will help you achieve professional-level results every time. But what truly sets this product apart is the craftsmanship. The seamless copper ferrules are double crimped to keep the brush head firmly in place, preventing any wiggling while you're working. This means you can focus on your art without worrying about the brushes losing their shape. Plus, it's easy to clean these brushes after use with a nail brush cleaner, ensuring that they last for a long time and stay in perfect condition. Not only is this set great for personal use, but it's also a fantastic option for nail salons. The variety of brush sizes gives you flexibility to tackle any nail design, whether it's intricate details or bold, long lines. It's everything you need to create unique nail art without the hassle. So, if you're looking to take your nail art skills to the next level, the Artdone Metallic Nail Art Pens are a must-have. Get your hands on this set and watch your creativity shine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews of top-tier products. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next one.